Everybody, this is Jim Royal from Simi RV, and today I'm going to show you the new 2022 30DS Forest River FR3. So on the outside, like you notice, is you have a nice entertainment center with a TV and outside speakers, several storage compartments, an electric awning. This motorhome also features side view cameras, rear and rear view cameras. And as you come this way, you have a propane hookup on the outside for your barbecue, portable heater, portable fire pit. And check out this storage. Massive compartment that goes all the way through and out the other side. So no need for more storage. And a lot of motorhomes don't have rear windows. I want you to see that this features a nice big rear window, and it has a one-piece fiberglass roof. So no worrying about taking care of a membrane. So let's go take a look inside. All right, welcome inside. First thing you have is a queen size electric bed. This will come down when you park somewhere. You can leave it made up all the time, and you still have access to the cab. Both chairs will swivel all the way around and point towards the living area. You have backup cameras, side view cameras, all your stereo Bluetooth built into here. This is a flip over workstation. You can use this for homework or working while you're on the road and sit in here and enjoy this great view. It has automatic leveling jacks. You have a sofa that makes into a bed. We have a 6-person dinette. Very nice. This unit also features 2 roof air conditioners and a bigger generator. As you come to it back towards the bedroom, here's that big back window again. This has a walk-around king-size bed. Almost every other motorhome in this size will only give you a queen. And I don't know of another motorhome in this size that is prepped for washer and dryer. Normally you have to go 35 foot or so to get a washer and dryer. Has the bedroom TV, all this great drawer space and closet space in here. And this bathroom is called a split bathroom. So what happens is this door goes this way. You have your sink and toilet here, shower here, and then you can turn this whole one to one big bathroom by this solid wood pocket door here. Slides over to give you the privacy. And then you can make your hallway into part of your bathroom space. Pantry, the biggest refrigerator in its class. So, and this is gas or electric, so this will run off electricity or propane. The full 22-inch oven. Most of these motorhomes have an 18-inch oven. Full-size microwave. Normally they have a 1.1 cubic foot microwave. Isn't that kind of a clever idea here? You have storage behind the TV. I do like the modern look to this motorhome also, with all the grays and the matte black hardware, countertop extension. So just a great coach, especially for the money. So my name's Jim. You can always come in and ask for me. And last name is Royal, so Jim Royal, Simi RV. If you have any questions, you can call or stop by and ask me. I'd love to show you around. Thank you.